Nicolette Graves.
Hi, I'm Chanel Spence, and this is The Formula. So when did we come up with the idea for base butter?
Chanel did.
Okay, that's true. We had just graduated college in 2014. Honestly, I was bored with my routine because really all I did was wake up, go to work, and come home. And I was like, oh, this is adulthood. Okay, I need to find a hobby. I didn't say I was gonna start a hobby. I actually was like, I'm about to start a business.
Yeah, I was about to say.
I was like, okay, cool. Like, I wanna start making some lipsticks. Throughout that year, my interest in lipsticks, my interest in cosmetics in general really faded. But I had all these ingredients, and so I was like, okay, I need to you do something with this. So something I did like from making lipsticks is the base of the lipsticks, which is actually really just lip balm without the pigments. And I was like, okay, I can keep making this. This can just be my chapstick. And then I started rubbing it on my body, and I was like, okay, I can use it on my body too. And I was like, okay, this might be something. And so I called it just base, like B-A-S-E. But the idea just kept, I guess, evolving. And so I was like, the formula is good, but the brand name I don't love it. So one day I was on the phone with my older sister, and we came up with, it's base butter, because it was still base, the foundation of everything. I was like, use it on my face, my body, my hands, my lips, but it's a butter because it was a blend of butters and oils. I launched 2015, so December 2015. And so man, right off the bat, we were getting pressed in Cosmopolitan, in Essence, in Nylon, and Elle. It gave me a lot of confidence. But I won't lie, I didn't know what I was doing. And I was just really researching the industry and trying to figure out what is my place in the beauty industry. The skincare industry didn't look like what it does now. It was a lot of us creating spaces where we were the default and being celebrated. And that's when I started looking around me I need a team. And one of the people on that team was Nicolette.
When she asked, we were roommates at the time. And so it just made sense. I had the time, and we always liked creating stuff together, and we already lived together. So we ended up changing our entire apartment into a fake co-working space. So then she ended up hiring a couple other people. We had a whole team. We had a whole team, always working for free, grinding it out for an entire summer.
And that was the beginning of Base Butter.